Here we go. We have a question, mirror tree. So you have given a binary tree and we need to convert into its mirror. So suppose we have this binary tree. So this left side we have 3. So this left side will be on the right side, and or its right side we have this subtree. The right subtree will be on the left side, and same applies for the subtrees. So here we have 5 on the left hand side, on the mirror 5 on the right hand side. So that's about the question. Let's build the approach. We have this tree and we need to convert into this. We gonna apply recursion. If our tree is 0, we just return. If our tree is not 0, then the left subtree will be on the right side and the right subtree will be on the right side. So we need to swap the subtrees. So we take this subtree and first store this subtree into our temporary variable. Then we place this subtree on the right hand side, this subtree on the right hand side. After placing this subtree, we need to place this temporary tree on the right hand side. So we are done with the initial tree and we need to do the same operation on the subtrees. So we go to the left first, then we go to the right side. So let's first go on the left hand side. So on the left hand side, its left is this and its right is this. We need to swap the subtrees. So on the left hand side we have 5. So we save this 5 on a temporary variable. Then on the left hand side we place the right hand side subtree. So we place the right hand side. Now we need to place the temporary on the right hand side. Now what we do, we are here. Now we go to this side. Its left is null, its right is null. Then we go to its right side. Left is null, right is null. Then we go to its right side. Its left is null, right is null. So that's about the mirror, and as you can see, equal to our resultant. So that's how we will solve this question. Let's code this. If our tree is null, we just return. Else we first save the left hand side on a temporary variable, then place the right hand side subtree on the left hand side, then on the right hand side we place the temporary. Same applies for left hand side and right hand side. So let's give it a try. So we have solved this question. If you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Code is given in the description box. Thank you all for watching.